Have you ever had a scanned PDF document that needed a quick update, but you found it impossible to edit? Whether it's an old CV, a business card, or an official letter, most people think scanned files are set in stone. Well, today, I'm going to show you how we transform a static scanned PDF document into a fully editable document using Adobe Photoshop. We'll be updating key details like names, designations, addresses, and phone numbers while keeping the original texture and look perfectly intact. Take a look at this before and after preview to see the level of seamless detail we can achieve. First, we import our scanned PDF. As you can see, the quality has some noise and grain because it was scanned. To change the name and designation, we don't just type over it. We carefully sample the background color and texture to heal the area first, removing the old text while preserving the paper's natural look. Next, we match the font. This is the most crucial part. We analyze the original typography, the spacing, the weight, and the subtle blur that occurs during the scanning process. By matching these elements, the new address and phone number look like they were part of the original print. Watch how I adjust the opacity and add a tiny bit of Gaussian blur to the text. This removes that sharp digital edge and makes it look like it's actually sitting on the paper, reacting to the light and scan quality just like the rest of the document. Precision is our top priority. We understand that when it comes to professional documents, even a tiny mistake can be noticeable. Our goal with this video is to show you the level of detail we put into every project. We don't just patch documents, we reconstruct them. From matching ink bleed to replicating paper grain, we ensure that the final result is clean, professional, and ready for use. And there you have it. Look at this final side-by-side comparison. The edits are virtually invisible. If you have scanned PDF documents that need professional editing, whether it's a single line or a full layout change, we are here to help. We provide fast, high-quality document editing services tailored to your specific needs. Contact us via WhatsApp, Telegram, or email. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more professional editing tips. Thanks for watching.